FeLdY girl? Hi! Who's my prettiest girl? You're gonna cuddle with my knees? Hi, you. So pretty. I love you so much. Hey, FeLdY girl. What are you hiding? Let's get her. Hi, you.
What's going on here?
He takes this internet so seriously, you know? Oh, it's the Black Hedge Witch! Hey, Max. Hey. You like this blanket? You can have it. Give me yours. Let's see your face. Look up. Look, there's celery. You like celery. Alright, so now I'm walking out of the bathroom. Hi, Max. Why do you have to stare when I'm in the bathroom? He's so handsome. You got a staring problem, though. We love you. Hi! Hi, you. He's the most beautiful man that I've seen today. Kara, you're on video. Hi.
Bowie, I love it.
He's so cute.
YG, what's happening, blood? Just thinking back, being I'm just thinking back, being so YG, I'm just thinking back, being I'm just thinking back, you know what I mean? Thinking back, being I'm just thinking back.
Oh my god! Oh my god! What are you doing? Yes, I'm getting it again. Oh my god! Why does Django do that? Oh, it's so cute. Hey, FeLdY girl. You coming to me? You look so pretty. Did you have a good walk with me? Did you have fun? She doesn't like looking at the camera. I always notice I put the camera down, she starts looking. Look at that face. Down to see me. Look who's visiting me. It's FeLdY girl. Hi, Feld. Hey, FeLdY, you want to work out tonight? Ah, here she is. Here she is. Hey, FeLdY girl. So pretty. I gotta work out and
I'll go do it to dinner.
love you. I'm so happy to be back. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go say hi to your dad. Let's go over there, okay? Come here. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. My name is FeLdY. It's Sunday, so it's my time to take a nap. So everybody go home.
You may find yourself living in a shotgun shack.
Max, hey Max, you're still staring at me? Why are you always staring at me? Oh, look at you. Hey, FeLdY girl. She's so pretty. Look at her. Look at this girl. Hi, you. She's camera shy. Whenever the camera goes on, she like tries to walk away. Hi, pretty. You want to go for a walk, FeLdY? The magic words. The magic words. Hi. Hi, pretty girl. So you're gonna sign a model release for him? Can I have your paw? Oh, give me a paw. Oh, she thinks paw means cuddle, so now I'm getting a cuddle. We love you, FeLdY girl.